What's going on, guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. My name's Caleb, and today I'm going to be doing a short video to cover some things that I missed in my previous videos. I'm going to be showing you how to customize your profile, set a profile picture, identify people that are working with you on various projects, and how to set the splash screen that you see when you click into various projects. Stay tuned. Let's jump right into it. So I have up a server that I have not been using for my previous Taiga demonstrations, but I'm going to use it for this one. When I go up to the right hand corner and I mouse over my name, you can hit Edit Profile. When you click on that, it's going to show you your current profile. It'll have the username that you used, the email address that you used, the full name. All of these values are the things that you chose when you first registered for Taiga. You'll have gotten an email address inviting you to a project, and when you click on it, it's going to bring you to a screen where you fill in various values, and those values will be reflected here. You can also change the language that you see if English is not your first language, or if you prefer to read and operate in a different language, you can choose a different one here. You can also go down to theme. By default, there's only one theme. It's the one that you see. There are some GitHub pages out there where you can change Taiga to show dark mode, or you can change the various fonts and layouts using CSS code. I may or may not demonstrate that in the last video on how to deploy Taiga. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. You can also type in here a bio that describes yourself or what your role is for the company or for the organization that's hosting this Taiga instance. You can also click on Change Password, enter your current password plus your new password twice. Go down to Set Start Pages. This is going to show every project that you're a member of, and it's going to, by default, timeline is going to be the splash page that you see if you click into any particular project. I prefer to see the Kanban board, but in this drop-down, you're going to see all of the modules that are available within that project. So if somebody has Scrum turned on, you can default to the Scrum board. If somebody has Epics turned on, you can default to that, or the Issues board, or the Wiki, or whatever you'd like. As long as that module is turned on in the project, which will be listed here, this drop-down will have every enabled module. In both of these examples, we only have Timeline and we have Kanban, because on this server, I only have Kanban modules enabled on the various projects. The next tab down is Email Notifications. Here you will be able to determine what notifications you get on the various projects. On a per project basis, by default, Involved is going to be selected, which means if you're assigned to the task or you're a watcher on the task, if anything changes in that task, you're going to get an email notification that something changed. If you're involved in a project that just has a whole bunch of stuff that's changing all the time, and you may or may not be a watcher assigned, I'm going to move out of the way here, you can click None. If you click None, you're not going to get notified at all that any of the tasks within this project are changing. You can go into Taiga and view all of those changes, of course, but you won't get an email notification. If it's set to Involved, you're going to get a notification if you're a watcher or if you're assigned to that task. The last option is to select All. If you select All, if anybody changes anything in that project, whether you're assigned to it or not, whether you're a watcher or not, you're going to get an email notification that something has changed. The next tab down is Desktop Notifications. So some browsers allow desktop notifications to take place. So if you're using Chrome or you're using Edge, it should work. If you are involved and this page is open in the browser, if something changes, you're going to get a desktop notification indicating that something changed. But only if you're involved. You can also set this to All or to None. The next tab down is Events. Events are specific items that will cause this little notification bell to light up, and it will list things that are important to you. So if event notifications are on, then anytime this bell lights up, you'll get essentially a desktop notification that something has changed. And the last thing I want to cover is how to see various things that are going on with your account and who you work with. So going back up to the picture in the top right, if you just click on the icon there, it's going to give you a list of all the things relevant to the timeline for you. If you click the next tab over, it's going to show you what projects that you've liked. I haven't liked any. And the next tab over is going to show you what user stories and what tasks you're specifically watching. It's also going to show the projects that you created or that you are directly involved in. And on this tab, you can see all of the members of every team that you're a part of. So if you're a member of 500 teams and each of those teams has 2 people in it, you'll see 1,000 different people listed here, and it'll list their roles within each of the projects. I do want to take a moment to say thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future content. If you have any ideas or requests for content on other technologies or other systems that you'd like me to cover, please drop a comment down below and I'd be more than happy to do a tutorial just for you. Thank you and God bless.